back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over what's in my camera bag in 2025. I'll first start off. The bag is the Peter McKinnon Everyday 25-liter backpack. Super solid backpack. Fit all my essentials in here. And if I want to carry some extra stuff, I've been able to fit it in here. Alright, so let's start off with the laptop. For laptop, I'm using the M2 MacBook Pro. It's the M2 Max. I had it for about 2 years now, almost. I haven't had any issues with it. Able to edit all, 4K and even the 8K out of the R5. Which leads me to the next thing in my camera bag, which is gonna be the camera. It's not inside the bag, obviously, because I'm recording with it. But I do have the R5 with a 15-35 2.8, and then I have a Video Roll Micro. Plug that in for the audio. Moving on, what I do have in here is a 50mm 1.2. I mostly use this for photography. The bulk on this is crazy. Definitely, if you don't have this, check it out. Try to rent it, because this thing is amazing. Up next, I have my second camera, which is the Fuji X106. This thing made me fall back in love with photography. Just able to get those recipes on there. It makes shooting so much fun. I just love carrying this everywhere I go, and usually just carry this and another camera. Up next, obviously, I got batteries. Got 2 extra batteries for the R5. Got some SD. Got some face masks. I also have a cleaning cloth. And it's something I just got recently right here. This is the Peter McKinnon camera tool. Comes with a lot of bits. Super useful. Start carrying around. You gotta, mount your camera and all that. Tripod plates, And I also carry a strap for my camera. This is for the R5. Got this little carrying pack for all my filters. Then up here, I recently started my first roll of film. I still haven't finished it. I got about like 12 more pictures. I've been having a lot of fun with it. I hope the pictures come out clean, because I don't even know if this camera works properly, but we'll see in a future video the outcome. I am shooting on Kodak Ultra 400, I believe, so we'll see how those look. And then the recent ad, which is the GoPro 11. Want to use this a lot more. I want to get like a mount for it for the car, so I could get shots from outside. But this thing's been fun so far since I had it. Also, I got the creator bundle for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This thing's super fun. Just carrying this around by itself instead of having a big camera is super dope. And then you could just connect the mic straight to it, which is super sick. Makes your kit a lot smaller if you don't want to bring a big camera. Definitely recommend this for a first camera. Up next, I also carry a handle, since I have a cage on my R5. And then a Peak Design wrist strap. This is super helpful when you're doing rollers. Gives you a sense of security that your camera, if it falls off, it's still gonna be in your hand. I don't like wearing the big strap, just because I feel like it gets in the way. I prefer the smaller one, but yeah, that's everything that's in my backpack. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe.